I'm a chemist by trade. I started in QC. Then I moved through my career into quality assurance and quality systems. I have been the site leader since 2013. The site started making CoA, and then with the nucleotides since the 1960s. We started building amidites also in the 1980s. We introduced the synthesis processes in the 1980s, and we scaled further in the early 2000s. Since 1995, we have been certified as ISO 9001, and we have recently been recertified as 9001 2015. We want to have a quality management system to be able to prove to our customers that we do what we say and we say what we do. This is how we produce your product. So that's part of our integrity and our reliability for our customers. We start small and we scale up to accompany our customers from the day they start working on something, to be a partner for them from beginning and all the way throughout their journey of growth. We are a center of excellence for nucleic acid technologies and nucleic acid chemistry. Our customers look for us not only for our products, for our chemistry, but also for the expertise that comes along with developing and scaling up and managing the impurities. Having a good process is understanding our stakeholders. Without understanding the requirements of the customers, how are we going to make the right product for them? It is also part of our culture of continuous improvement. We did a value stream of the process. We understood where the gaps are, we understood our bottlenecks, and we understood where the waste is. Our approach is always to eliminate the waste or reduce the waste as much as possible because we want to be responsive to our customers. We want to understand exactly what they need, specification, impurities. Our technical team dives into the detail of what does it take to make this product. Our customers have a budget, our customers have a timeline, and we have also our quality requirements. We need to understand our supply chain. Our sourcing team goes and gets quotes for the raw material, while our technical team is looking at are there IP issues. Some customers come to us for us to have our technical experts scale up a process for them. Sometimes it's an actual product. Sometimes it's the first development lot, or they want 3 lots to validate our product. We have a team of project managers because we need someone to oversee all of these details. The inputs, the design, the planning, the check stages, the milestones, and the communication with the customer. We engage the customer as part of our team. We don't do anything in the absolute silos. We are partners to our customers because it is critical at every milestone, at every stage. They know what we are doing and that we are meeting their expectations so that at the end of the project, no one is surprised or disappointed. It's very valuable to our customers to partner with a supplier, with a company that is with them from the beginning to the stage where they go commercial. Our technical team in process development understands all the details of large-scale manufacturing. So when they design the process at the beginning, they design it with the processes and equipment in their mind that will be used one day on the manufacturing floor. When the customer comes back for more demand, we are ready to scale up and we are ready to do a tech transfer from the small-scale process development to the large-scale manufacturing on the manufacturing floor. Also, we take care of the IP. We make sure that we have a process in place to be able to receive that method and then share whatever we added to it without giving away our know-how and without also touching the customer's IP. We have designed a process in order for us to turn around within a week. We can accommodate anything between a milligram, a milliliter to 10 kilos, 15 kilos packages of a standard product that we make. We also look at our equipment and technology in packaging. We call it packaging on demand, whether it is liquids or powders. We design the labels, we design the certificates of analysis. We have a whole variety of bottles. The bottles are designed in a way like, okay, you need the 10 grams or the 100 ml or the 4 liters or whatever you need. We can source that for you if we don't have it already in our portfolio. We understand that a single source is very risky. What happens to our customers if we lose that source? We are always looking for new suppliers in different geographies so that we are not dependent on one single country or one single supplier in that country. We also understand that our customers do not want to end up with a single source, even if we buy from different stages in the supply chain. We want to be that different supplier that has a distinct supply chain, so that we can provide that reduced risk or eliminate that risk for our customers themselves. This N1 methyl pseudo UTP story is a proof of how we work with our customers and partner with them when they start working on some idea or some concept that involves a molecule that they don't know whether it is going to work or not. The N1 methyl pseudo UTP started with one of our customers reaching out to us in 2014. Our scale then was in the milliliters. We did scale it up to a liter or two because we had subsequent orders from them. In 2020, everything happened with COVID. So our first order was a few, about 15 liters. Then we scale up to the thousands of liters. Started with 50 milliliters to 5,000 liters and more. We did all of that under quarantine and under the conditions that we were working in under COVID. We want to enable our customers to make the world healthier. We are here to help our customers do that for our patients, for the patients in the world. And not just only the N1 methyl pseudo, but oligotherapeutics as well, using the phosphoramidites.